Can you explain the Indian flag?
Sir, saffron is for strength and equality, sir.
Ah.
White is for peace.
Ah.
Green is for means like togetherness, sir.
Hey.
Togetherness for all.
Green is for what?
Togetherness. Togetherness means fields, sir.
Togetherness mean?
Fields.
Field?
Fields are there, no, sir. Means like Muslim, Hindus, all those things are there, no, sir.
Okay.
We should be togetherness.
Okay, that is green, huh? Hey, keep quiet. You mean green is for togetherness, unity. Okay, you
Same, sir.
explain. Hey, keep quiet. Sit there. Tell.
Explain.
Explain.
Same,
Explain.
sir, actually.
Not same. You are same. You don't want to. No one want to win this. It's going for one person only. Explain.
How much, sir?
You first. Not important.
Okay.
Money is not important. This flag is very more important than money,
sir.
right?
Indian flag.
Yeah. So, can you explain the meaning of those colors?
Well, as he said, orange.
I don't want as he said. As you are going to say.
Like orange flag stands for unity, strength, and achievements and all. And white stands for peace among the every religion.
Okay.
And green stands for like people.
Right. Okay.
Togetherness with everyone.
So
Peace.
you both failed. You all failed.
This guy only,
Hey, don't say.
This guy.
Both you failed.
Saffron
Can
is
you
for
explain?
courage and the sacrifices our forefathers made.
Come again.
Saffron is for courage,
It's for courage. Okay.
white is for peace,
Okay.
and the green color is for like the nature of India,
Nation of India. Okay.
like the greenery and all,
Like what?
the nature of India.
Explain the nation like what? So many nation.
Nature is like natural beauty of India, sir.
Natural beauty of India.
Natural beauty.
Okay. And
Atmosphere, sir. Atmosphere
like?
and climate.
And sir,
okay. Continue.
and the blue is for like the Ashoka Chakra. It's for like the unity among the people.
Okay.
Unity of peace.
Do you know? Hey. You know? Can you explain? Come close.
White is for freedom struggles and courage of our freedom fighters, and that is for orange, and white is for peace.
First again is that orange is saffron.
Saffron is for the freedom struggles and courage of our freedom fighters, and white is for peace, and green is for greenery, and dharma chakra.
Green is for
Greenery
greenery means
like nature and like fields and all in our India.
Between
And,
Ashoka Chakra is there.
Dharma chakra is for unity.
between you and him, you almost say the same point. I need one of you to clarify exactly what green mean, then you win this one. You and him once come again, repeat the green. Green
Sir,
means
green means.
no, not you. Him.
Green means like the natural beauty of India.
Okay. And you greens mean
Green means fields.
like you say like
Like the vegetation of India.
the
Vegetation of India.
vegetation of India. Okay.
Well, the forests of India and all.
Okay.
So,
Do you think it's right?
No, sir.
Who can tell us green means? Are they correct? Are their answer for green correct? Is it correct? The answer for green? Wrong, na? Do you agree the answer is correct for green?
Nora.
No? Can you tell us the green? Can you once explain again? You tell us?
Sir, green.
Wait. Can you explain from the beginning?
The saffron stands for the courage,
And the white?
courage and strength.
Okay.
And the white stands for the peace.
Okay.
And the green stands for the fertility of the India. And the Ashoka Chakra stands for the unity.
Okay. Now you got it. The green means growth or fertility. That is only the point. You won this one. Take. Okay? Now you got it? Yeah.
Sir, orange means Hinduism, sir. White means
First explain. This color stands for what? The first one?
orange is for Hinduism, sir.
It's not orange.
Saffron. This is
Okay.
for Hinduism, sir. White is for Christianity, sir. Green
White is for
Christianity.
Christianity. Okay. And
Green for Muslim.
First? Muslim.
Muslimism. Those all will be
Wait, I'll come on.
together.
Who told you that?
Sir.
Who told you that actually? Who told you about that? Huh? From where you got that information?
This girl knows us, sir.
No, from where you got your information? She told you?
No, not now.
That information is very wrong, okay? You have to go and start again.
I feel saffron is for diversity
Diversity, saffron,
and white is for peace
okay?
and green is for fertility and nature.
Okay?
So these all are there in India.
Okay, and chakra?
The chakra it tells that there are 29.
Okay, it's 24. 24. Anyway, it's okay. Repeat for saffron, you said is for what?
Diversity.
No, you are wrong. Saffron is not for diversity. It's for courage, strength, or success. Okay? Actually, diversity is for the chakra. You try. Okay, I'm coming. Tell me.
I don't know what about Indian flag.
You don't know about Indian flag?
But I know about what is India.
What do you know?
So India is one of the which has one of the strongest army than other countries. All the Indian people, some are good, some are bad, but still the Indian army works for India. There are many enemy countries. Even I do support for Russia, which helps India and all other things. And also, I guess I'm not degrading the
Wait,
other.
don't disturb. Wait, I will come.
I'm not degrading the other countries. India is my country. I guess it is best than all.
Okay. Mention any biggest achievement of India.
Any biggest
Any
achievement
biggest
of
achievement?
India?
Ah.
Hello.
What is the biggest achievement India made so far?
Just Chandrayaan 3, sir.
Chandrayaan 3. Can you tell us
Chandrayaan
about
1 and Chandrayaan 2 are failed, but Chandrayaan
Wait,
3
see there.
had a successful launch and a soft launching.
Okay.
And also I make sure that it takes place more activities and finds out more about the mood.
Wait. Okay. What else you know more? Anything?
What is it
Ah.
more like?
How do you see India in 2047?
Okay. Indian 2047, many people will be having the idea that there will be so many robots and skyscrapers. But my idea is that a way like if India develops, all people are having a bad habit like smoking and all. Maybe that will be increasing and many people will be dying soon.
Okay.
And also, this India will be having much achievements done.
Okay. Thank you so much. You won this gift. Okay. Nice. Saffron color.
Saffron is for like one piece or something.
Something. Okay. Next.
And white is for peace. I know that.
Okay.
White is for peace.
Then green.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
Green represents fertility,
Green.
fertility,
I'm coming. I will come.
peace, and growth.
This is which color represent that?
Green.
Green. I will come. Just wait.
Green represents
Huh.
fertility,
Huh.
growth, and peace.
And peace.
And friendship.
Friendship. No, you are little wrong. Peace for white. Okay, you try.
Saffron describes about courage and white. It's the peace. And the green.
The green.
It's fertility.
Ashoka Chakra.
Okay, what you're going well. You're almost there. What about the
Circle.
the chakra? How do you call it? Chakra. Sit down. Sit down. I will come. All I will interview. Just go and sit. No, don't go. Just go and sit there. I will come. Don't move. What about the chakra?
That's called the Ashoka Chakra.
Okay, you did well. Anyway, guys, he did well. So you will get a gift. Which gift you will like? Which one you want? Which one you want, you take. This one you're okay? Will it fit you? You tell me first. Tell me about the Indian flag, you know? Okay, now your turn. Indian flag, you know?
Indian flag is the flag of
Explain from the saffron, white and green.
Saffron means unity and strength. White means peace. Green means
Green means?
unity, diversity. Unity, diversity.
Greens mean? You're almost there. You're almost there to win something. Green mean what?
Truth and diversity. Truth. Truth and diversity. Truth and courage.
What? Green? No, you are wrong. Green means growth, fertility. Wrong. You failed. How do you feel actually today about today independence?
Very good, sir. But sometimes we can increase our strength and knowledge, equality, and we can do all those things today. For independence, we should do. We can salute to the flag. We can salute to the flag, and all those things we should do, sir. If we salute, we'll get some vibrations in those, sir, because of we are Indians.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why we are proud of our military people and our Indians.